All right, guys, next up, we got break number 19 of Super Breaks Supercharged Multi-Sport. You got 3 items per box, guaranteed at least 1 buyback card, some sick memorabilia, some insane hits that you can find in here, jerseys and other things, 1986 Fleer basketball complete set, including the stickers, like just some crazy stuff. So let's see what we can find out of here. Every spot's going to give you 2 random first name letters. So 10 spots altogether. Jeff's got 2. Brad, you've got 2. John M with 1. Rick's got 2. Danny with 1. Alan with 1. And then William closed us out with the last spot. So let's go ahead and randomize our teams. Or excuse me, our first name letters. If we pull a letter that we're not using, so we're only using 20 letters. If we pull a Q or X or Z or U like we did the last time, we'll random that among everybody in the break. All right, 2 letters per spot. Let's randomize this 5 times. All right, guys, here we go. So, Alan, you've got first name letters F and N. Brad's got T, K, Y, and R. Danny with V and W. Jeff, you've got P, G, B, H. John's got C, L, C and L. Rick's got A, D, O, and J. And then William with S and M. All right, so there you go. See what we get. Break 19. This is going to be the end of another case. I've got 2 more cases of this that we'll be able to do. So we got more boxes coming. All right, well, here's one right here we might as well talk about. You got a Pudge Rodriguez, which is interesting because it's got Pudge Rodriguez on here. Can't tell if he signed with an I or with a P. We're not using I, so that'll go ahead and be P. So, Jeff, that's you, man. 1997 Sports Illustrated. Nice one there. All right, then we got a couple here, and then a framed item. All right, so we got the Super Glow Sports Inaugural Edition. We've pulled a bunch of these, so this will be a random. And then here's our buyback card. All right, Pieces Trio from Pieces of the Past. You got Thomas Jefferson. It's a cool one here. Thomas Jefferson, James Madison, and James Monroe. So T, J, and J. So that will be a random too. Rick has got J. Brad's got T. And then we got a framed piece here. It's going to be a Matt Ryan framed picture with a jumbo relic there. So you've got the gray flannel authentication here, including what kind of jersey it was from. That says Boston College jersey there. So first name letter M is going to be William. All right, so William, that's yours. And then we got these two randoms to do. Let's do the James Madison triple relic first. All right, guys. So I got TJ and J as they are listed from left to right on the cards. Randomized it 5 times. We'll take the letter at the top after 5. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going to T. So T on that one was Brad. So Brad, congratulations, man. And then let's do the Super Glow Inaugural Edition box. So we'll randomize this 5 times as well. The name at the top after 5 is going to get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 going out to Rick. All right, so that'll do it. So we'll get those cards and items in the mail tomorrow. Appreciate you guys joining us on Supercharged. We'll do more of these coming up over the next couple weeks.